Experience the synergy of cutting-edge holotomography imaging and advanced analysis with TomoAnalysis 2.0. From groundbreaking 3D visualization to precise segmentation and quantification, our platform transforms your data into discovery. Step into a new dimension of discovery. TomoAnalysis 3D visualization brings your samples to life, delivering exceptional clarity and depth. TomoAnalysis goes beyond visualization to offer powerful single-cell analysis. With refractive index-based thresholding and AI-driven segmentation, researchers can quantify cellular features with precision and efficiency, unlocking deeper insights into cell morphology. Discover the dynamics of lipid droplets with TomoAnalysis. Leveraging lipid droplets' unique refractive index properties, our flexible analysis pipeline ensures precise detection and quantification, enabling the study of volume, concentration, and dynamic changes in adipocytes and beyond. Preserve cell integrity and gain precise insights into mitochondrial structure and function. TomoAnalysis AI-driven segmentation provides analysis of mitochondrial dynamic changes, such as mitochondrial fission and fusion, delivering reliable data across different cell types. Integrate fluorescence signals with refractive index-based analysis for multimodal insights. TomoAnalysis enables precise localization, quantitative measurements, and dynamic tracking of cells and subcellular structures, combining biophysical insights with conventional fluorescence data. Monitor organoid development with confidence. TomoAnalysis provides comprehensive 3D analysis of organoid growth, structure, and condition. From early-stage development to detailed lumen assessment, uncover critical insights for advanced biomedical research. Empower your research today.